The marketing claims premium, high-end suction for a budget-friendly price. Usually, that's a recipe for disappointment. But after 4 weeks of testing, I found a machine that genuinely surprised me in some ways and completely validated my concerns in others. Right out of the box, the X7A feels better than its price tag suggests. It's not the magnesium alloy and carbon fiber of a top-tier Dyson, but it's a dense, high-quality plastic that doesn't creak or flex when you're pushing it around. It's incredibly lightweight. I can easily grab it with one hand to clean stairs or cobwebs from the ceiling, which is a huge win over my old, heavy cordless model. The best part of its physical design is that it's self-standing. I can't tell you how many times I've had to awkwardly lean other vacuums against a wall only to have them crash down. With the X7A, I can just park it in the middle of the room if I need to stop and move a chair. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in daily use.